Hello dear, welcome. Let's discuss the higher order thinking questions related to pair of linear equations in two variables. Here it is our question. The statement of this question is, the age of two friends Ani and Biju differ by 3 years. Ani's father Dharam is twice as old as Ani and Biju is twice as old as his sister Cathy. The ages of Cathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. Then find the ages of Ani and Biju. Okay, here we are given multiple conditions. Okay, so don't confuse. I'll make it very simple. So finally, by using all these conditions, we need to find the ages of Ani and Biju. We don't know right now what are their ages. Let us assume with some variables. Again with our favorite variables x and y. Okay, let the age of Ani is equals to x years and the age of Biju is equals to y years. Okay, now according to first condition, what is that? These two friends' ages differ by 3 years. Ani and Biju, these two friends' ages differ by 3 years. So ATC1, according to first condition, x minus y is equals to plus or minus 3. We can formulate equation like this, because y plus or minus 3, we don't know who is older, whether Ani or Biju, right? Since we don't know whether x is greater than y or y is greater than x. Because of this reason, the difference can be positive 3 or negative 3. If Ani is older than Biju, we'll get positive 3. If Biju is older than Ani, we'll get negative 3, the difference. Okay, let us take this is equation number 1, right? And also given, Ani's father Dharam is twice as old as Ani, and also given Dharam says, okay, Dharam's age, that is 2x years, because Dharam is twice as old as Ani. Here Ani's age is x years, so Dharam's age must be 2 times of x, double, that is 2x years. And also given another condition, Biju is twice as old as his sister Cathy. Biju is twice as old as his sister Cathy. Then what about Cathy's age? Half of Biju's age, right? Got it or not? Okay, if Biju is twice as old as his sister Cathy, then Cathy's age must be half of age of Biju, right? So Cathy's age is equals to y upon 2 years, right? Then we are also given another condition. What is that? The ages of Cathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. Okay, so here according to condition 2, 2x minus y upon 2 is equals to 30. So we can formulate an equation like this. We can simplify further. Here y coefficient is 1 upon 2, that is a fraction. So to make it all integers, throughout we will multiply by 2. Then this becomes 4x minus, here 2 gets cancelled, y, here 2 times of 30, that is 60. Let us take this is equation number 2. Got it? How we got this? Simple. Throughout multiplied by 2. Throughout multiplied by 2. Then we have got another linear equation with variables x and y. Clear? Now on equation 1 we have two cases. In equation 1 we have two cases. One is x minus y is equals to positive 3, another one is x minus y is equals to negative 3, right? Case 1. Case 1, if x minus y is equals to positive 3, let us take this as equation number 3. We have got equation 3 and equation 2. Now we will solve equation 3 and 2 for x and y. Okay. Now solving 3 and 4, equation 3 and 4, we get equation 3 we take as it is, that is x minus y is equals to 3. Equation 2 also we take as it is, that is 4x minus y is equals to 60. On subtracting, signs will change, positive becomes negative, negative becomes positive. Here negative y, positive y gets cancelled. X minus 4x, this is becomes negative 3x. Here 3 minus 60, that is negative 57. Again both the sides we can divide with negative 3 because both are multiples of 3, right? Here negative negative gets cancelled, 3 1s are 3 19s are. Then we have x is equals to 19. We have got x value. Now on putting this x value in equation 2 or equation 3, we will get what? Y value. So where we will substitute, which one is easier? Here. Now putting x is equals to 19 in 3, then 19 minus y is equals to 3. From this negative y is equals to, if shifting 19 into this side, here it is positive, other side it becomes negative. 3 minus 19, that is negative 16, negative 16, and again negative negative gets cancelled, then y is equals to 16. We have got y as well. So x is 19 and y is 16. So Ani and Biju's ages can be 19 years and 16 years respectively. Okay, based on case 1. Now case 2 also we have. What is case 2? Now case 2, that is x minus y is equals to negative 3. Let us take this as equation number 4. Now on solving equation 4 and equation 2, okay, solving 2 and 4, we get x and y. Okay, so we will take equation 4 as it is, that is x minus y is equals to negative 3, and equation 2 also we take as it is, that is 4x minus y is equals to 60. Again on subtracting, signs will change. Here negative y, positive y gets cancelled. X minus 4x, which is equals to how much? Negative 3x, negative 3, negative 60, negative 63. Again both sides negative negative gets cancelled. 3 divides 1 time, 3 divides 21 times. Then we have got x is equals to 21. Now on substituting this x value in equation 4 or equation 2, we will get y value. So which one is simpler? Here. Now putting x is equals to 21 in 4, 21 minus y is equals to minus 3, and from this minus y is equals to, on shifting this 21 into this side, here it is positive, other side it becomes negative, negative 3, negative 21, that is negative 24. both sides we can cancel negative. Then here we have got y is equals to 24. We have got both the values x and y. So x is equals to 21 and y is equals to 24. So therefore the ages of Ani and Biju are 19 years and 16 years, or 21 years and 24 years respectively, right? Hence the ages of Ani and Biju are 19 years and 16 years, or 21 years and 24 years respectively. Clear? Shall we discuss once again briefly? Yes, right. Here the question is, the age of two friends Ani and Biju differ by 3 years. Ani's father Dharam is twice as old as Ani and Biju is twice as old as his sister Cathy. The ages of Cathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. Then find the ages of Ani and Biju, right? So we don't know Ani and Biju's ages and we need to find these two ages. So let us assume with some variables. Here we have assumed Ani's age is x years and Biju's age is y years. And according to first condition, these two ages differ by 3 years. So we don't know who is older. So x minus y is equals to, we will get plus or minus 3. So we can formulate equation like this. Let us take, this is equation number 1. We have taken equation number 1 since x is greater than y or y is greater than x. So anyone can be older. Okay. And also given Dharam is twice as old as Ani. So Dharam's age must be 2 times of x years. That is, Ani's age is 2x years. Then Dharam's age must be twice. That is 2 times of x. And also given Biju is twice as old as his sister Cathy. Then Cathy's age is half the age of Biju. So Cathy's age is y upon 2 years. Because Biju's age is y years, then Cathy's age is half of her brother Biju. That is y upon 2 years. And also given a condition, that is the ages of Cathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. That is 2x minus y upon 2 is equals to 30. We can formulate equation like this, and from this we have got another linear equation, that is 4x minus y equals to 60. Now in equation 1 we have two cases, one is positive, another one is negative. So on taking positive 3 and equation 2, on solving these two, we have got x equals to 19, y equals to 16. And based on case 2, that is on taking negative 3 and let us give some name, this is 4, and on solving 4 and 2, we have got x is equals to 21, y equals to 24. So therefore the ages of Ani and Biju are either 19 years and 16 years respectively, or 21 years and 24 years respectively. Clear? This is it.